All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan. This channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. Been day trading about 3 years, sharing my journey, still struggling, working through things. But anyway, if you'd like to be a part of my journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Anyway, it is Tuesday, August 13th, live, waiting for the market to open. Man, S-Bucks is popping. I think that's where all the volume is on Starbucks. Man, I was so close to buying this pre-market dip. What's up, Signature? I was so close to buying this pre-market dip. Hey, my bad about the review yesterday, y'all. I had to get out of here. I got like some family stuff going on right now, so I didn't get to make the review, but I did work on my game plan for the day, and I'm not restricting the time frame, although I really am focused on the 5 minute. But basically, I'm looking for that first sign of the uptrend. Basically, first sign of it holding a level, and I really want to stay out of the range and just go where the volume is. I've spent some time and worked on my scanner so that I can actually be alerted with the where the volume is at and stuff like that. So no, no, no. I wish I bought it, man. I wanted to. I literally was typing my order in, but I was just like, man, it was perfect. Like, man, I wanted the break of 87.30 and it broke and I was going to put in a limit order under 35 and I definitely could have got in there, but no stop loss, man. That's tough. I would have been sweating all pre-market. Well, not too long. Maybe right here, but man, that thing took off. But interesting to see. Okay, so yesterday I did it again as far as trading multiple things at once. And in the moment, man, it just seemed like, all right, this is the time. Market's about to move up. Let me get in these uptrends. And then the market turns, man, and you got way too much exposure. So two. I'm gonna do two. I know one is the responsible thing, but it's just my person. I gotta give myself two, man. It's just too much, you know. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Oh, nah. This was way before signature. This was way before we started chatting about the market. This was at 8:45 market time. But yeah, I like to see the pullback. SE's doing really well. It's not crazy volume, but it's steadily moving up for sure. I don't know. I'm worried about SE though, because SE on the daily, man. SE's been on a rocket ship, right? And then now today they got good earnings. Like this is a really big sell the news situation to me, right at $70 too. Hey, Mohammed Nadeem, what's going on, bro? Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me on your way in. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm kind of worried about the rug pull. So you got to manage expectations. But I'm taking quick profits today. 2R all or nothing. Wow, look at SE going crazy. Wow. Oh, now it's going back down. Yeah, but S Bucks is definitely.
Damn, here we go again. CMG, CMG, SBUX, OXY,
Oh my
SBUX,
gosh. Calm down.
SBUX,
All right, hold up, man.
BG,
That's way too much. All right.
DFS, DFS, WMT, OMC, ES, FLUT, RSG,
Yo.
CCEP, MD,
All right, I
ROK,
gotta turn that one off. That's too
RCE, CMS, LC, LUB, TAP, STT, IFF, BG, GPC.
Bruh. That's crazy. My bad. That's crazy. Wow, Microsoft is going crazy. SE is going crazy. Tesla with a huge pullback. Gotcha. All right.
MKC.
Hey, three pony. Trey, what's going on? Yeah, thing was tripping hard. Ooh, Nvidia, man. That's all right. I'm watching this box. Whoa, really late. Really late. What the?
CORC. 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 ROL. MOS. STN, SBH. CORC. SBUX.
Oh, my bad.
AU. AU.
And I need to stop under here. Dang, Tesla's rolling. SE actually looking kind of cool. It's just way above VWAP. Look like market is looking pretty good today. Nah. Damn, Tesla's rolling.
CMG. MOS. VMC.
Yeah, what happened there is I already had I got slipped up 50 cent, and then there's no way I should have been adding there. Why did I switch back to stocks? I switched back to stocks because I realize that the market ranges more times. I mean, the market, yeah, the market's rangy more than it's right there.
AU.
250, 87. That's kind of crazy.
LTH. OXY.
Um, yeah, just on the fact that I'm a long trader. I don't like switching sides between the SQs and the Qs, and um, it just makes sense to look for the things that have a reason to go up instead of just trading the markets when I mean I actually once I scrolled back through the trading days, and I was just like, man, I'd get chopped up on most of these days. Looks like a small cap. Yeah, it is extended
DOCS.
up for sure, but it's still pushing up, man. It's got a lot of volume. It's been beat up for a long time, but we'll see.
ELN. NVNX. BMY.
Man, Tesla going crazy.
VFC. VSAT. Capital U. ONON. CMG.
All right, got my two.
Capital U, MOS.
These ain't even
LP.
relatively strong. Only one was Tesla.
CMS, CMS.
Man, I think Nvidia was the one I should have picked. I decided to wait for the higher low on Nvidia, and it might not give one.
SBUX.
Yeah, Xbox and got real weak looking. Two R.
PLTR. Capital U.
Probably could have waited for Meta to cool off a bit more after that huge move up. In hindsight, here comes SE.
VSAT. ELN. VMC. LTH.
Price action. What's up, Jose Luna?
OXY.
Because this is the most volatile time of the day, Ben. What do you mean? Bruh. The last hours. Nah, I can't be in here all day like that. It's lower too. Man, look at SE over here doing work.
PLTR, PLTR. CORC, CORC, VSAT.
I see your point. Dang, 7 on meta. Yeah, I'm trying
TYPL,
to
RIBN, SQ, SQ, IFF.
trying to see something with regards to
WBL,
building some
WBL.
level of consistency around here. Man, Xbox sure is lingering.
PLTR.
Sheesh.
Capital U, CVNA.
Yeah, that makes a
SW.
lot of sense, Ben. It makes a whole lot of sense.
WMT.
This Xbox trade taking its sweet time. Man, I wanted Nvidia, bro, but seemed a bit impatient to buy right there. What's up, Jack Burton? Well, it look like the market's done for a while.
NVO.
Over here sitting in this stupid thing ranging.
EQT.
Sheesh, look at that pullback.
OLED. PLTR. AU, AU. WMT. EQT.
Hmm. Missed the video again.
NEN. NEN. CMG.
Come on, Xbox. You just gonna range the whole day? Man, I knew I should have took that move on Tesla. How you be scared to trade the strongest thing out here? I wanted to buy this, but I was like, nah, it's up too far. Which I mean it is, but this was a nice pullback. It just wasn't quite quite to VWAP, but yeah, if there was one worth taking a shot on, it's the strongest one here. It's like trying to tiptoe that fine line between buying strength and buying the pullback. Break a high a day, that would have been a cool
CMS, CMS,
little break too.
CPNG, GRMN, GRMN.
Yep. Tesla making moves up and SPY's pulling back. Man, even SE went crazy. What am I buying, man?
CL.
Man, at least X Bucks is turning green.
PCR, PCR, PCR.
Dang, look at Tesla. Golly. Man. Yeah, I wish I was in NVIDIA, man. I was watching NVIDIA and Tesla and just sat there and didn't take advantage of anything. I'm over here in this getting chopped up. Although this Microsoft is looking kind of good. 50 cent.
TRB.
Stop up to just under 411.
WMT.
S Bucks finally over 94. This thing really got to explode though. It's been consolidating all morning.
HES.
S Bucks to a hundo. Yeah. I ain't look at Apple today. Yeah. You show right, Ben. I like that thought of yours. I'm just catching 2 R's, just wait for the trends to form and buy the higher lows. Instead of racing in. That FOMO though. They don't always let you on. Bruh.
CORC. CORC.
Man, Microsoft suck, bro.
GPC. GPC. GPC.
Hmm. I was looking at it. What was that? I don't know, signature. It's not really a pretty looking chart.
LB.
Not even looking at the crazy range on the daily that this thing is done. It's kind of absurd to expect it to go higher. What's up, Trenches? Yeah, I know. Sure would have.
TRB. EQNR. Capital U, capital U.
Capital U? Is that just you? Unity software.
GBTC. DR. WEC.
SE looking real good right now, signature. I don't know. It's still maybe not real good. Might be a bit of an overstatement. Ran into some volume up there, eh?
Capital U. EQT. WMT.
Oh yeah, where'd you get in at, signature? Okay. Hmm.
DR.
Yeah, looking done today, man. Nothing's going my way. I realize, I think, man, I'm kind of really just want to buy red on the 5, man. That really seems to, like Microsoft look like it's ready now after all that. Bruh. Look at this buy right here. Like a 60-cent stop. Bruh, I couldn't get a single trade today. My entries was pretty bad though. Ain't gonna lie. Oh man. I hear, is that a transformer? It's raining outside.
DR.
Dang. Kind of sound like a transformer out there. Okay. Yeah, I don't think S Buck's gonna do it for me today. Dang, that sucks. Hmm. Man, it's only 10:30. If Starbucks can just go, I feel like I have a reset opportunity. Man, there's Nvidia now. Maybe not. Gold. What, GLD?
CABL.
Hmm. Down here at the lower day.
NKE. NKE. CABL.
SE boost is coming. Hey, it jumped up a little bit. Signature. Oh, GOLD. Ah, I see. Okay. Um, I'd say probably tomorrow. After this big day, I always expect a little day like this. But it could break highs. I probably wouldn't want to touch it until it broke highs. Man, Nvidia's a hater. All these man, yeah, I'm struggling. I just
UBS.
yeah, I'm about there. I mean, I'm there. As if S Bucks could possibly decide to go up, I could. I think I just uh yeah, I wish I would have left that 2 minute chart alone today. Like how valuable is that information that's inside of those 5 minute candles on the one and the two? Is it really that valuable? I don't know, man. I'm really
NKE.
I think just pullbacks on the five, man, is really my bag. I just gotta be more patient and wait for it. There goes SE signature. Yeah, it probably will come back to VWAP, and I can't risk it that low.
TRD. CABL.
It's like, why not just what's happening? It's funny. Yeah, it's going signature.
RBLX, RBLX, DR.
Got some volume coming in, eh? It's got some action coming in right here. All right, Jack. Thanks for hanging out, man. Hit that like button for me on your way out. Got to be careful out here, man. Ooh, everything's fading bad. Ooh. Come on, S Bucks. Hold on. You can do it. Like 10 cents from my stop. New day tomorrow. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm gonna be more patient and wait for that 5-minute red. That's really what I want. That 5-minute red, man. Man, it's doing something right here. I just don't know if I'm gonna survive. Wish I could go down to my break even. It won't even let me. Oh, yeah, bro. It's definitely coming back to VWAP though. Get it just under 93, and then what? Just to stay in the day. Oh yeah, is that when they got a report coming out tomorrow about inflation? Whole world's been waiting on that. Boy, they got the whole market between their fingertips. They could just like if that ain't manipulation, it's literally what they're doing. Yeah, I can see that too, bro. Come on, Starbucks.
DJT.
Yeah, it's definitely coming back to VWAP. I ain't gonna survive. I ain't gonna survive unless we get back over 93.50 in a dramatic turn of events. 20, 4R, well, 3R plus 1. All right, folks, here we go. This is it.
RRR.
First green candle in a long time. Yeah, so I set it at 4R with my broker, which was
NKE.
20 bucks, just to kind of give me a little bit of squeaky room. And so
A TKR.
probably should drop it to 15 so that my squeaky room ends me at 20, if that's really what I want to do. But well, this is a sight for sore eyes. Glad I lowered my stop a little bit. That's the worst thing to say ever. All right, 5. Go on and trigger, man. It's a beautiful candle. 93.77 on Starbucks, man. We might have some hope. Everything kind of look like it's setting up. Huh. Huh. Hmm. I guess I'm trying to keep all my hope energy focused on this right here. But it doesn't seem to work. I just know it's gonna stop me out and go up. I just can't. I can't risk that low for what I think I know. Hey man, there's some folks over here buying Starbucks. Hmm.
DJT.
I like that, Ben. It would behoove me to have some scheduled backtesting time.
Capital W. BNX.
This could legit be. Hmm. Hmm. That's true too. Hmm.
Capital U. A Geo.
Check you out, George. Man. I think so. I kind of feel like it would come back down to 535 first, though, before going to 540.
TEL.
But it could definitely go, man. For sure. Actually, kind of looks like it's got a gap right here up to 539.43 from, yeah, what is that? 537. Yeah. But you saying could it keep going further? Yeah, I mean if it breaks over that with some strength, but where's that gonna come from? Some kind of catalyst? I don't know, man. This market's wild, bro. Come on, Starbucks, it's our time. Let me do one thing right on the day. I already stopped out on this same position unnecessarily. We have news tomorrow. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. June. Huh? You mean August? You 2 months behind, George. You made this higher high just to go back down. Looks like it.
A LB.
Yeah. I like the market long from here. Just doesn't really seem like S Bucks is moving with the market. I guess it hasn't been really all morning, so um kind of like Tesla and Nvidia's like already done.
RRE.
This 15-minute about to close on S Bucks though. Super narrow range. 93.01.
SNR. IQB. EL. HE.
Microsoft, bruh.
SNR. RDN. EQT.
Oh, I got you. That's why you said 14 June 24. My bad. I wasn't
LB.
even reading.
RBLX.
Hmm.
Capital W. Capital W. IQB.
You wouldn't consider these 3 days
DR.
support
DR.
coming down and getting bought up right
NL.
there?
NKE. NKE. BRO. BX. BX. RUN. RUN.
All right, I think I'm done with that. Clearly. Man, it's a lot going on in this little range. This little 15-minute candle here. Either breaking 93 and this 15-minute candle is 93.01 to 93.96. So which way do we go? Market's going up, man. S-Bucks is not with the program. How you end up in the one thing that's not going up on your screen? Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm looking at this 540 level and just look how it every time it came down to it, it pretty much bounced. Um, I mean, this day it seemed like it got broken, but then it went back up and bounced up, and then got below. So, man, SE is still rolling. I'm so upset with this Starbucks trade. There goes Microsoft, Nvidia, Tesla. Poor trading today, yo. Yeah, I don't think it should either, actually. I want it to be stronger than the SPY. Yeah, otherwise trade the SPY, right? But I mean, at least if the market's going up, I want it to be going way up, like Nvidia and Tesla. Super relative strength. Dang. Man, come on, Starbucks. The last hope. Yeah, bruh. It's my fault, as usual. Yeah, it's starting to. I like the 15. I just want it back over 94, and I think it's could be pretty decent. It's been consolidating all day, but I mean, it's moved up. It moved up a lot, so it's really absurd to expect it to move up more. Honestly, it's had a crazy day, but it's pretty beat down from where it used to be. So I don't know. 93 to 94 has got some serious action. Yeah. Now we just need some green bars up. Well, market's coming down now. Maybe now Xbox will go up. Nah, Google. Oh man. Ugh. Nah, bruh. Show ain't. Yeah, I peeped out gold. It's all inside of the range. It's all inside of the opening range. But it's above the highest volume. Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to take that thing outside of the range over 1920. It's stuck. It's stuck. All right. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's way up. It's like the amount of hope that I'm that I'm and my average is way up at 94.20. So the amount of hope I have on this thing is very low. I'm just in it because I was already in it and yeah, see how it goes. Nobody cares about Starbucks anymore. Nobody cares. Oh yeah. Nah. Took some of that money off the table, huh, signature? I see you, man. I see you. You gotta put it in the account, man, or it's not yours. Nice work. Yep, everybody's taking profit now, huh? Come on, man. S Bucks over 94, man. We can make some moves. We can make some moves. $93.74. Two narrow range 15-minute candles next to each other. Second one with a higher low. Man. Shorted it. CXAI. Hmm. All right, killer. Dang, 261 to 362. That's what's up, bro. Oh, see. Oh, okay. I got you. Look like you made up for it on ELWS though. Man, this buck's just holding me hostage. I do need to do something else. Um, hmm. Hmm. It's nice on Meta. Meta look like it just set up real nice. Check out Meta on the 5. Is that the 5? No, that's the 2. What is going on? That don't look like. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Is that a lower low? 27. Nope. Green on the day now. Nice. All right, S Bucks. Okay. A little something going on here. Take out 74. Okay, took that out. We got 94 next stop. $93.80. Okay. Come on. Yeah, this is a nice 15 little pullback here. Consolidation. You got to take 94 though. Hey, we went up to 94.20. I was break even for a second. uh, all right, so we got higher high on the 15, or a new high on the 15, and the 5. What are we doing? Okay, here we go. All right, making some highs here on S Bucks. That 15 is nice, yo. What is the high? 93.80. Okay. Ooh, meta look nice, man. I like meta. It's still inside the most of the range, but yeah, it's still inside a lot of the range. Tesla looking kind of good over there too. Mm, might be a little too deep in on that pullback though. Yeah, S Bucks is looking okay. Still got a long way to go to get excited, but I just man, it's had probably the biggest day ever. Literally the biggest green candle on the chart today. So I don't know, man. High a day, 95.29. See if this thing will hold 94. Nah, Tesla looking good though. Right over this 5 minute right here, man. $0.50 stop over 205.75. Almost look like it want to hold 94. All right. Paper trade on Tesla triggered. 50 cent stop. Dollar take profit. 206.70. 206.75. Wow. SE on its way to 75 signature. Crash and burn. I'm saying, man, taking the longest trade, bro. The longest. That's my fault, though. It's your own fault. Yeah, that's probably in the volume up there anyway. Almost looks like it wants to start trending. No, I don't. I do not. I don't even. Does this have MACD? Yeah, it does. Sheesh. Oh yeah, that's helpful. Let's see. Okay, I can see it a little bit. Let's see here. Hmm. Yeah, that doesn't look very usable. I wish the skew wasn't so horrid. Hmm. Yeah, feel the same way. Man, if it could really be so much more simple to just wait. Like Ben said, I got to get rid of that 2 minute, man. It just makes me too antsy. Man, I listened to a little piece of it. I didn't really get to dial in. It was kind of like family time mode, but I was trying to listen to it. I don't know if I have the patience to go back and listen to it today. What are your thoughts? Market wise, I don't think we should get into a political debate on here. That could get nasty. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I do kind of like I like Elon Musk's position on a few things. Yeah, I know. That's why I was saying I don't know if I have the patience. Like when it was live, it was like, all right, let me check it out. But now I like to go back, watch some highlights or something. I just don't know if I can trust Elon. Actually, I'm pretty sure we can't. You hate the opposing political party. uh, yeah, SpaceX makes me very suspicious of Elon Musk. 500 years left before extinction. Stay in the lab. They don't know. They don't know diddly squat. I'd be surprised though if we had another 500 years. I just feel like society is headed in such a bad direction, and just be kind of waiting on the horn to blow at this point. Bring a smart, logical person into discussion. Bad idea. Yeah, that's a long time. Yeah, you going to Mars? What you gonna do up there, Ben? I don't know if they got Wi-Fi up there, Ben. With Elon. Yeah, I guess. I guess, man. Elon is God. uh, worship a strange shaped rock. Mm. Man, Microsoft did really well. I was just a bit early to the party. All right, come on, S Bucks. It's your time. Oh, he's. you guys ever looked? You guys ever seen what Mars looks like through a telescope, or any of the planets, like raw, without all the filters and stuff? Lag. 20 minutes. It'd be a lot more than that. Well, I don't know. Actually, maybe it wouldn't be that bad because when they went to the moon, they had a phone call to Houston with no delay. So 20 minutes is probably reasonable for Mars. If the moon is no delay, Mars is probably 20 minutes. That's true, Ben. That's true. Let's see how far Mars is. The moon is 250,000 miles. Let's see, how far is Mars from Earth? Oh yeah, it's only 143 million miles. It's like no big deal. uh, yeah, yeah, that's what they say. Signature. They don't know, man. It's unfathomable the distances and the light years. It's like it's just concepts that are meant to make you say, "Wow, that's far," and then that's it. Get ahead of the game. I've seen some like investment companies of people trying to gather people to invest in stuff on the moon and in space, like really serious about it. Yeah, this was my probably worst trade of the day. I didn't really what am I looking for realistically? This has gotten ridiculous. Oh yeah, just get a Mars coin. Yeah, I got my wheels turning too, Trey. I'm just too impatient, man. Too impatient and too much FOMO, and I still haven't made clear exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna try and do that right now while I'm hanging out waiting to get stopped out on S bucks. Should have just moved my stop up to break even and tried to minimize as much as I could. Um, what do an IPO? Do some pump and dumps? Yeah, when I get to 100K subscribers, we're gonna switch to a meme coin pump and dump channel, and we're just gonna start coins and pump it. No, absolutely joking. Man, we got 20 people in here. Where you guys from? Where you guys from? There we go. Finally I'm free now. I'm free of my bad Starbucks trade. I feel much lighter about the chest. Um, on the cues today, let me check it out. Yeah, my guy Alex was like, look at the cues and tell me the days you'd have done well. Yeah, that's not bad. I could have done good on a few things had I traded better. On just Columbus, Georgia. Illegal activity discussion. These is jokes, Bert. These are jokes. I am not pumping and dumping anything. Portland, Oregon. Yeah, that's true. People do just trade IPOs. Kitty Hawk, huh? North Carolina. That's what's up. Quebec, Canada. A French Canadian. Okay, that's interesting. Man, I really want to visit Canada. I actually was had like a 5 year plan to move to Canada. Like it's probably 10 years ago. I was trying to be a Apple developer at that time. I was learning Swift programming language and trying to make apps and stuff. Quebec. Right. That's right, Ben. That's absolutely right. Bruh, I was listening to this video Trey sent me from Roland, and he was just kind of explaining like this is what small caps are. They literally when they fall like when he was explaining how when they fall under $1, they get a notice and then, they do they'll do a reverse split, and get their price back above $1. And then they'll release some news and pump it. And then as soon as it gets up, they do an offering. And that's how they make money. It's a margin account, Jose. 2 weeks in September. Really? In Vancouver Islands. Nice. Man, there's so much in the world to see, man. Might get to see it one day if I can figure myself out. I think I got it figured out. I'm retarded once the market opens. Until I get stopped out, then I'm like seeing clearly and you guys ask me about things and We break down charts. Just gotta stop being a retard. GN. Bruh, I saw that crazy move yesterday. Full reverse split pump yesterday. That's what it was. Yeesh. This was crazy, bro. You called it too, Trey. That's crazy. How would you even get in that? I mean, yeah, actually, if you was watching for the retake of VWAP and you bought right here, bro, you straight. Oh my God. That's crazy, man. Yeah, I gotta get with the 5, man. Yeah, yeah, that's how it goes, man. It's like just a cycle, man. A cycle of pumping the market for money. They get below $1, they do the reverse split, you know, pump it, do an offering, dump it, and then when it gets back down to $1, yeah, you would have definitely had to have been watching it. S Bucks back to VWAP. Let me put the MACD on this smaller chart and see if that helps, because it just looked like a bunch of mess to me. I don't like these. I don't want the look like it's going down, man. I don't know. S Bucks is just so far up, man. I got no hope. No hope, man. No hope in S Bucks. Unless you just wanted to bounce to high of day. But there's no way I would touch S Bucks. Unless I was trying to short it or something. Really? 90 cents off of VWAP? Wow. I got VWAP at 92.43. It's right there. It is different though. Different charts use different math to calculate them. Cause it'll be different on if I pull up Trading View, it'll be different. Yeah. Look at that. That's kind of trippy, huh? 91 9170 on Trading View. That's crazy. Your view app is 93.37. For real? Wow. That's pretty crazy. Go to the. Never mind. Yeah, that's a trip. Oh, on Webull. That's what I was about to look up. Webull. I would probably give Webull the least amount of weight as far as their VWAP. Even though I really like Webull's platform for as far as free ones go. Wow. Yeah, I got VWAP 93.36. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. And I mean, it actually looks more, it makes more sense. Huh. Weird. What you guys got for VWAP on S Bucks? Huh. Hey, I gotta take a restroom break. I'll be right back, y'all. All right, what's up, y'all? Um, Ben got 92.41, 93.36. Man, George, are you on Webull too? Nah, VWAP's different for me. I'm on the time frames signature. Like on the 2 it's 92.43, on the 5 is 92.53, and on the 15 is 92.41. Well, cuz it's calculated on the hmm. Is it, I guess it has to do with each candle, not just the price of each order. Hmm. Yeah, I would have think it'd be based on the orders taking place at each price, not really the candles. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that's crazy. But that difference is extreme. Talking about 92.41 to 93.36. That's a dollar almost. That's weird. The spy. Mm, it's getting to that point. Your VWAPs are all the same? It's really not a high volume day on the SPY. It's actually the lowest. Well, yeah. This is the lowest volume open we've had on the SPY for a minute. So I don't know. What does that say about this bullish day? Up there touching on the 50 EMA. Yeah, I don't know, bro. It's very interesting that it's low volume like that. The SPY been in limbo for a long time. Like, just like, I don't know what to really make of it, man. This is a very sharp uptrend though. Probably be going. I'm still bearish on the SPY, honestly, overall. And this low volume move up, I won't be surprised if it sold off and turned into a big top tail. But you know, it could go over 540 and run to 545. This market's crazy, yo. Market's crazy, yo. That's interesting, Bert. Cumulative total of the price of each trade multiplied by the volume of that trade and then divided by the total volume traded for that day. Okay, so yeah, it should definitely be the same on every chart. Maybe they don't. Nah, but it's constantly moving as the orders are coming in because you can see it. I was thinking maybe they don't calculate the current candle until it closes. But you can see VWAP moving when you got high volume price going. Sometimes. I thought. Man, SE ran out of gas, huh? Signature. Yeah, I don't know, man. That's interesting. Oh, okay. Yeah, still got some time left in the day for sure. It's not that late, 10:44. Um I'm kind of noticing that pre-market isn't as worthless. Like I haven't been really giving much weight to pre-market, but I think it's kind of solid as far as the continuation into the open. Like seeing it, okay, we got all this positivity, and then it pulls back to VWAP, opens, pulls back, and then continues up. And then the ones that stay up Like video, same thing, really up pre-market and then pulls back and then goes. It's kind of like, you know, it all works out. It all makes sense. Meta just like pre-market breakout. It was choppy in pre-market, so you can't really read much. All right, so all trades on the 5, significant levels, pre-market high, previous day high, and then daily levels. New mover list. Yeah, I really need to adjust my settings also. Hey, signature, I need send me a screenshot of your scanner settings, man. I like them scans you be coming up with every morning that your scanner comes up with. Um, yeah, MSFT, Microsoft and Meta. I should have just left both of those alone with the way they had opened. That range was just too crazy. Same with S Bucks. Ain't no way I should have touched S Bucks. SE really, but the only reason I would say you could mess with SE is over that high. But still kind of risky. Hmm. All right. Well, yeah, SE is just kind of floating out there. It's not really I can't really see any rhyme or reason behind it. But all right, y'all. Today was just another day of kind of just not having a strict entry criteria and knowing exactly what I'm looking for. Um, I wouldn't give the advice to jump. Yeah, I wouldn't either. Oh yeah. So you looking at it just from your position you still holding. I got you. Um, yeah, so I'm trying to write up more specific entry criteria and just kind of get my morning routine down to a much better science than it is right now. It's kind of random, but like yeah, like checking the economic calendar. Um hmm. Hmm. Am I still? Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna get off and I'm gonna try to focus on literally planning, not only planning my pre-market, but planning each trade. Like, okay, if I see this, then I'll do that. Like, this is what I'm looking for to happen. This is what must happen to enter. Just spend some time and get really specific about what I want to do. And yeah, most of it is just patience and letting the trend build up. Oh man, no stop loss. Ooh, that's scary, Bert. I really wanted to, man, I was so close to getting in the S Bucks this morning in pre-market on the 5 at this dip to VWAP right here. This guy right here, man. I was typing my order and everything, but just not being able to have a stop loss, man, is just like I can't do it, bro. It's too risky. I can't trust myself or the market. That's how you end up blowing your account because you keep lowering it. Like, man, I'm down so much now, it's got to bounce, and then you just keep going down, down, down. Whoo, it gets bad, man. Scary stuff. Yeah, I would love to do that. I'll try to do that tomorrow, man. Jump in the Discord soon. I need to get them up to my desk a lot earlier. Jump in the Discord, start talking through my pre-market thing. Discord link is in the description. I fixed it this time, so I think we got the never expiring link for the Discord in the description. Um, yeah, just go over my, I'm making my strict watch list criteria right now too, so I'm not just watching any old thing that's moving around in pre-market. And also exactly what I need to do at the open. Yeah. Yeah, and that's my problem, Trey. I don't have very concrete entries. I'm very fluid, and a part of that is okay, but part of it does really need to be. I'm saying part of it is okay because I need to be dynamic because everything is gonna trade, differently. But as far as higher highs, higher lows, and when the time is to buy, that's very specific. Yeah, appreciate that signature. Hit the like button for me, guys. Um, yeah, that's true too, KP. That's true too. Yeah, the spy had some really nice moves today. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna figure it out though. I'm determined. Another day feeling like just coming out here and bumping my head, but I still feel I still feel very small steps being made forward mentally, and just need a few more and hopefully they'll start translating. Yeah, I gotta wait for that 5. That's like huge, waiting for that first 5 minute candle to close and really seeing where it's at in relation to the pre-market price action and the levels, and then kind of make a plan. Um, like maybe even grab some sticky notes, man, and have something for each, my ideas. Right, yeah, some things are intuitive, but some things have to be non-negotiable, like super specific. Yeah, and I find myself, often wanting to get into a trade and like, should I or shouldn't I? Like, do I do it or do I not do it? And that just means that my criteria isn't clear enough because it should be more simple than that. It should be, all right, all the boxes are checked. I have to take this trade because it's part of my plan, or not all the boxes are checked, so I can't take this trade because it is not part of my plan, you know. Um, which I feel like I had that at one point, but I've just kind of ventured out and now I've found myself kind of waiting in the middle of the ocean of the market and I need to swim back to shore and get back in the boat, and plot a plot a course. So I'm happy to be back in stocks. It's just a patience thing, really, more than anything. Um, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, we're gonna be back tomorrow though. And my bad about the review, man. I really was excited about yesterday's review video, but I couldn't, man. I had to leave. I left my laptop. I usually take everything with me, because my system is a laptop. I left my laptop here because I was like, man, I gotta come back, and I never made it back. So, but yeah, I'm about to get on that right now, and yeah, just gotta be more patient. Just be more patient, and I wonder if I can. Man, ooh, I need to. There's some stuff I want to add on to my charts too. I've been talking with a couple guys about Chat GPT and adding some things to my chart. I'd really like to see what percentage of the move that first 5 minute candle is. Because I think that's kind of a big deal, and they don't show that on here. I think TradingView shows that what percent each candle is. But yeah, I gotta figure some things out. But anyway, appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. It's always a good time, man. We almost at 600 subs, man. If you guys could hit that subscribe button and support the channel, man, I'd appreciate it. It's been super fun growing the YouTube as well. And just meeting all you guys and trading with you guys and bouncing ideas around. It's been great. I appreciate you guys. All the comments. I'm super humble about this thing, so like, don't think I'm gonna get offended if you have some criticisms or whatever. I mean, try not to dog me, but don't feel shy to drop any ideas or criticisms or whatever. But at the same time, don't be offended if I don't take it. If you don't see me doing your idea the next day, I have my own ideas and my own intent and the way how I want to move, and I'm just kind of molding it as I learn more about myself and the market. And a lot of that, I have taken a lot of really helpful things from you guys. So yeah, don't be shy about that. But yeah, hit that like button and subscribe, man. Let's get this thing over 600 subs, and let's get to the bag, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.